and welcome to our first Flexso What's New S/4HANA Public Cloud Edition for Sales.
Yes, within this series of videos, we will be providing a short insight into the new functionalities of each release, starting with 2402 today.
I'm Barbara Delchambre.
And my name is Wouter van den Branden.
Okay, Wouter, so let's dive right into it. Let's start with apps in and out. I think you have some special announcement about the spaces and pages.
Yes, indeed. As you might know, SAP is switching from the classic group-based Fiori Launchpad to spaces and pages as of the release 2402. So this means for the end users, they will have a new My Home, which will look differently and be organized differently. And also the individual spaces will be organized differently compared to the classic group.
Okay. And is this switch done automatically, or is there a specific action required?
Yeah, it requires a manual action to activate spaces and pages. You can find all details in the link below. Also be aware that SAP is currently foreseeing a grace period, which means that as of mid-June this year, they will enforce spaces and pages onto all systems. So now is the time to take action.
Okay, good to know. Thanks, Wouter. For the apps in and out, specific on sales, what news is there?
Yeah, I can say there that the list sales orders VA05 application is being deprecated. It's being replaced by the list sales orders and the list sales orders without charge applications. And on top of that, there's also a newer version of the managed debit memo request app.
Okay, good to know. Moving on to our next topic is the new functionalities. Yeah. What's hot in the sales on new functionalities, Wouter?
For me, the most important one was the flexible determination of item categories, which means that we are now able to flexibly determine which item category is determined in our sales order item based on rules which we determine in the BRF Plus framework.
Okay. And does this mean that we can go wild with all combinations, or is there still some limitation?
No, unfortunately, we're still there restricted to also the item category assignment from customizing. But within one assignment, we can flexibly determine which item category will be determined.
Okay, so in terms of added value, definitely something still there. Can you maybe give a business example?
No. A good use case would be, for example, the use of down payments. So in previous releases, you would have to manually change the item category of each line item that you want to activate the billing plan for. So a lot of manual work. Now with this new functionality, we can define rules within BRF Plus and say, for example, if the customer belongs to customer group A, then I want to automatically determine that the correct item category is determined for each line item. So it's an automatic determination instead of a manual change to each line item.
Okay, so definitely some efficiency gain there.
Indeed.
Moving on to our last topic, which is new insights, also known as analytical app. So what's on this topic new? Wouter?
Well, in fact, there are no new analytical apps within the sales line of business. So I would like to take the time to talk a bit about AI instead. So as you might know, as of release 2402, SAP is opening up its AI chatbots and AI capabilities with SAP Joule. That's as part of an early adopter program to which you can subscribe. So again, see the link below in this video. Also within the sales line of business, there's an additional AI capability embedded into the sales functionalities, where SAP has introduced the possibility to automatically complete incomplete items. So previously you would have to manually complete your incompletion log. In this case, SAP can do recommendations based on AI and machine learning, and those are either done automatically or you have to accept or decline the recommendation provided by SAP. So
yeah,
it's a nice new feature.
Yeah, very interesting. So we see mainly that a lot of SAP is pushing a lot on AI-driven capabilities. So definitely something to look out for in the next releases also. Yeah. And that concludes, I think, our video.
Yeah, indeed. So that's the end of our sales video. But be sure to also check our other What's New release videos of our colleagues regarding other lines of businesses on our What's New page.
Yeah. And make sure to follow us on LinkedIn so that you can stay tuned on our release videos. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.
See you in 6 months.
Bye.
Bye.